Venatio 1. Barbillas invited me to hunt tomorrow.
In the morning, Formio kicked some slaves out of the house.
I found 2 young goats with Formio.
As Barbillas was leaving his house, the astrologer asked him why he wanted to leave.
The astrologer said it was dangerous because the sun was approaching Aries.
However, Barbillas wanted to go out of his house, so the astrologer gave him a good luck charm so he would be safe.
We went to Barbillas' estate, which had the Nile River flowing through it.
As we approached the Nile River, there were Ethiopian slaves with spears near it and Formio.
There were 2 dead goats in the boat.
Venatio Part 2.
Formio and Barbillas led us to a boat that was tied in the river.
As we were in the river, we came to a part and there were many crocodiles in the river.
The river became muddy and had many weeds.
After there was a signal, Barbillas threw the 2 goats into the swamp.
The crocodiles were chasing the bloody goats.
The Ethiopian slaves threw their spears at the crocodiles.
The crocodiles were dying and were hit.
All of a sudden, a hippopotamus came and turned the boat over, and Formio was very scared and loud.
Barbillas was floating in the water when crocodiles were swimming up to him.
The Ethiopian slaves threw their spears at the crocodiles that surrounded Barbillas.
They were able to save Barbillas and a slave.
However, they found out that Barbillas had been hit in the shoulder by a spear and was severely injured. They injured Barbillas' own slaves injured him.
Yay!